Greetings everyone and welcome to our English grammar revision for Primary 2. This is Ms. Hisham. Hello my lady students. If this is your first video to me today, I just want to say that I'm very happy to join you and I'm really missing all of you. Can't wait for our first school day to see you all. So, our video today is one of 3 videos about the most important grammar lessons. So please listen carefully, okay? Get ready. Our lesson today will be comparative and superlative, the short adjectives. Get ready. And now let's start first with comparative. So, we use comparatives to describe the differences between two things or two people. Okay? The adjective is short. Short like what? Short like tall, like big, like slow, like fast, and so on. All of these are short adjectives. We will use this form, okay? The adjective plus er plus than. Let me show you now some examples. Example number 1. The mouse is smaller than the cat. The mouse is smaller than the cat. As you can see here in this picture, we have a mouse and we have a cat. Which one is bigger and which one is smaller? Of course, the cat is bigger than the mouse and the mouse is smaller than the cat. So, as you can see here, the mouse is smaller than the cat. Small, the adjective, plus er plus than. So it will be smaller than. Okay, I'm comparing now between the mouse and the cat. Example number 2. The horse is faster than the tortoise. The horse is faster than the tortoise. I'm also here comparing between the horse and the tortoise. Which one is faster and which one is slower? Of course, the tortoise is slower and the horse is faster. So, I will use the form, the adjective, which is fast plus er plus than. So, it will be faster than. And now, let's move to our examples. Okay, tall will be taller than. Taller than. The adjective, tall, plus er plus than. Taller than. Short will be shorter than. Shorter than. Short plus er plus than. Fast, faster than. Slow, slower than. Old, older than. Okay? Let's start with our first example. So, Carla is younger than Ali. Carla is younger than Ali. Young plus er, it will be younger plus than. So it will be younger than. Number 2. Sarah is older than Stephen. Sarah is older than Stephen. Our adjective here is old plus er, so it will be older plus than, it will be older than. So Sarah is older than Stephen. Number 3. His hair is shorter than yours. His hair is shorter than yours. So our adjective here is short plus er, it will be shorter, plus than, it will be shorter than. Number 4. Harry is taller than Paul. Harry is taller than Paul. So our adjective here is tall plus er plus than, it will be taller than. So Harry is taller than Paul. And now it's our practice time. Get ready. So our first exercise here will be rearrange the following. Okay, number 1, Helen than is Amir taller. As we used to do before, we start with the underlined word, which here is Helen. So Helen is taller than Amir. Very good. Number 2, shorter. My sister than is brother and my. Start with my sister. My sister is, where is the adjective plus er? Yes, very good, it's shorter. So my sister is shorter, plus than. Yes, my sister is shorter than my brother. And follow stop, very good. Number 3, older. Amira, Ahmad is than. Start with Ahmad. So Ahmad is, the adjective plus er. Ahmad is older, plus than. Ahmad is older than Amira. And follow stop. Very good. Very good. And now let's move to our next part, which is superlative. Okay. We use superlative to compare between 3 or more things or people. Okay? We use superlative to compare between 3 or more things or people. So, the adjective is short, as we said before, short like what? Big is a short adjective. Small is a short adjective. Slow, fast, and so on. All of these are short adjectives. So, we will use the short adjective, okay? So, the form will be like this. We will use the plus the short adjective plus est. Okay? Let me show you now some examples. Example number 1. She is the tallest girl in the class. She is the tallest girl in the class. As you can see here, we have the plus the short adjective plus est. So it will be the tallest. The tallest. Okay? She is the tallest girl in the class. Number 2. Okay? He is the shortest student. He is the shortest student. As you can see here also, we have the plus the short adjective, which is short, plus est. So it will be the shortest. The shortest. Okay? So first, let's start with our examples. So, tall will be the tallest. Short, the shortest. Fast, the fastest. Slow, the slowest. As you can see here, the plus the adjective plus est. Okay? Okay. Let's move to our examples. Number 1. Ali is the tallest student in the class. Ali is the tallest student in the class. The plus the adjective, which is tall, plus est. So it will be the tallest. The tallest. Number 2. Farida is the fastest one here. Farida is the fastest one here. The plus fast plus est. Okay? It will be the fastest. And now it's our practice time. Get ready. And now let's move to our exercise. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. Hani is the youngest or younger boy. Again, Hani is the youngest or younger boy. We have here the. So the plus the adjective plus est. It will be youngest. Very good. Number 2. My dad is the old or the oldest one in our family. The plus the adjective plus est. So it will be oldest. Very good. Number 3. My sister is the cutest or cute girl. My sister is the cutest. Very good. Number 4. My class is the cleanest or cleaner one in the school. We have here the. So the plus the adjective plus EST. Very good. Super. Number 5. My brother is the short or shortest one in his class. Will be shortest. Very good. And now let's move to our second part, which is quantifiers. Much, many, some, and any. Much, many, some, and any. So firstly, let's start with how many and how much. And when can I use how many and when can I use how much? So firstly, I can use how many with count nouns. I can use how many with count nouns. And I can use how much with non-count nouns. So count nouns like what? Count nouns like bags, like books, like pens, and so on. What about how much? What about the non-count nouns? Non-count nouns like water, like juice, like coffee, like tea, and so on. Let's move to our examples. So example number 1, how many eggs do you have? How many eggs do you have? Our noun here is eggs. Why did I choose to write how many, not how much? Because the noun here is eggs. Can I count eggs? Can I say 1 egg, 2 eggs, 3 eggs, 4 eggs, and so on? Yes, I can. So I used here how many. Number 2, how many books does he have? How many books does he have? So again, the noun here is books. Can I count books? Can I say 1 book, 2 books, 3 books, and so on? So I used how many. The first example of how much milk does she have? How much milk does she have? The noun here is milk. Can I count milk? No, I can't. It's a liquid. Can I count the liquid? No, I can't count the liquid. So I used how much. Number 2, how much water do you have? How much water do you have? Our noun here is water. Can I count the liquid? No, I can't count the liquid. So I used how much. So how much water do you have? And now let's move to our second part, which is any and some. And when can I use any and when can I use some? So first, I can use any with the negative sentence and in questions. And what about some? I can use some in the affirmative sentence. I'll show you now some examples. So, example number 1 of any. We don't have any eggs. We don't have any eggs. So why did I use here any, not some? Because of don't. This is a negative form. Okay? Number 2. Do you have any books? Do you have any books? So again, why did I use here any, not some? Because this is a question. And how did you know that this is a question? Because of the question mark and because that we start with do. Okay? Okay. Let's move to example of some. We have some eggs. We have some eggs. As you can see here, this is an affirmative sentence. So we use some. Some, okay? We have some eggs. And now it's our practice time. Get ready. So let's start with our first exercise, which is choose the correct answer. Number 1, how many or how much bags do we have? How many or how much bags do we have? So our noun here is bags. Okay. First, can we count bags? Yes, we can. So we will use how many or how much. Of course, we will use how many. Number 2, we don't have much or many milk. Okay, our noun here is milk. So can we count milk? The liquid itself, please. The liquid itself. I mean the liquid itself. No, I can't count the milk. So it will be much. Very good. Number 3. They don't have some or any chairs. They don't have some or any chairs. So we have the negative form and don't. So we will use any. Very good. Number 4. Lulu and Hannah have some or any water. So this is an affirmative sentence. So we will use some. Very good. Oh, it's game time. I'm so ready. Get ready for our tongue twisters. Are you ready for our tongue twister? It's not easy. You have to practice many times first. So listen carefully, okay? Okay. Fish fried fish, fish fresh fried, fried fish fresh, fish fried fresh. Yes. I will leave you now. Try to say it many times. Okay, I have to leave you now. Goodbye. Have a wonderful day.